Imagine a world where the skies are no longer safe, a world where a massive asteroid, lurking in the shadows of space, threatens to collide with Earth. A rock called 2024 YR4. And today, we've got something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. A giant asteroid, 2024 YR4, could crash into Earth in just 7 years. But don't freak out yet, because while the odds are low, they are uncomfortably high for an asteroid of this size. At first, the risk of 2024 YR4 slamming into Earth seemed negligible, less than 1%. But recent calculations have increased its chances of impact to a shocking 3.1%. Now that may sound small, but it's the highest risk of any large space rock ever calculated. And it's not just a small pebble. This asteroid is roughly the size of a cruise ship. Remember Apophis? That was the asteroid everyone was freaking out about back in 2004. It initially had a 2.7% chance of hitting Earth, and for a while, it seemed like the next big space disaster. But 2024 YR4 has now surpassed that, and it's even smaller. Apophis, at 1,300 feet long, was a giant, but 2024 YR4 is about 130 to 300 feet, much smaller. On the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, it now rates a 3 out of 10, which means there's a real non-zero risk, something astronomers don't take lightly. But again, 3.1% doesn't mean we should be preparing for the end of the world. If 2024 YR4 does hit, the consequences would still be devastating. It could cause a massive explosion in the atmosphere, or even create a large impact crater. Imagine a city wiped off the map. It wouldn't be an extinction event, but certainly a catastrophe for any affected region. Where could it land? According to scientists, the asteroid's impact zone likely includes uninhabited ocean areas. But there are also a few densely populated places on the list. It's a stark reminder that we need to keep an eye on it. So, what's being done about this asteroid? Well, NASA and the European Space Agency are already on it. They've got their eyes on YR4, tracking its path with the best telescopes out there. They'll continue monitoring it over the next few years, and who knows? Maybe it'll be ruled out completely. They've been wrong before. And remember the DART mission from 2022? NASA demonstrated that it is, in fact, possible to nudge an asteroid out of Earth's path by sending a spacecraft straight into it. This is part of the broader planetary defense efforts to ensure we have options, just in case an asteroid decides to pay Earth an unwanted visit. NASA is confident that 2024 YR4 is likely to miss us, but they're continuing to study it, just like they do with all near-Earth objects. And in the meantime, the technology to prevent an asteroid from hitting Earth is advancing rapidly. So, while we're not saying the apocalypse is coming in 2032, this asteroid's risk level should still have us paying attention. And as we look up at the stars, one thing is clear. Space is full of surprises, and we're just getting started on how we'll protect Earth from cosmic threats. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space news. See you next time, Earthlings.